What's going on, guys? My name is Nick and welcome back to a new YouTube video. So in this video is just gonna be an update, just a little update of what's going on. I didn't even realize it, but we have about 700 subscribers on this channel, which is kind of cool. And pretty much this video is for Instagram, because of Instagram we're really close to 30,000 followers, which is incredible. So yeah, so I want to kind of make the video an update of everything that's kind of going on, my plan for the future, and yeah, so let's just get started with this. So pretty much my biggest plan, my biggest thing that I'm going to be working on is this channel. I want to provide literally as much value as I possibly can. I mean, dropshipping, e-commerce, everything is going really good right now, and I do have the time. I have the time to share what I'm doing, what I know, and what I'm learning, because I'm learning some new stuff every single day. So I mean, it's cool, and like I have the ability to share it, and I mean, there's just no reason not to. So I am going to take this very serious. This will be one of my top priorities at the moment, as far as a lot of other stuff which I do want to cover. I want to show everything I'm doing, document this entire process, because I mean, we're coming out with cool stuff. We're coming out with some very cool concepts, just different stuff, different businesses, different approaches to things. And again, like, I will share all this, but I just want to give you just kind of an idea of what's going on. Another thing that's kind of new is this house. I moved into my first house, which is pretty cool. I've been in here for about a month now, and that took a lot of time. It took a lot of money, but it's fun. I mean, it was a cool experience, and obviously, I mean, it's only been a month, so I'm not too sure where things are gonna go from here, but I'm excited. I'm just excited for the future. And again, my top priority will be how to provide as much value as I possibly can. That's always been the reason why I started my Instagram page, why I started my YouTube channel, and that's not going to change. That's not going to change at all. So, and I do appreciate everyone that has been following me, everyone that watches my Instagram stories, follows my Instagram page, DMs me, you know, lets me know how they're doing. I love that kind of stuff. I mean, that's the kind of stuff that motivates me. I mean, before I started my Instagram page, I was very, you know, I was comfortable. I was comfortable with how much I was making, with what I was doing, and I just was not progressing the way, you know, like, I don't know. I mean, I just really was not progressing. I was very comfortable. I think that's the best word for it. But when I started my Instagram page, I mean, I had people asking me, how are you doing this? Can I do this? And, you know, and just motivating me. I mean, I'm sure I motivate some of you guys, but you guys, the people that follow my Instagram page, that's what motivates me a lot more than you probably think. And I mean, that is pushing me to hit numbers that I never thought would be possible. So again, I guess, I mean, the only thing I can do to, you know, show my appreciation is to literally give as much value as I can and get this YouTube channel popping, get this, you know, grow this community, and, you know, just have fun with it. I mean, I just see people just take it so too stressful. I mean, you gotta have fun with it. It's you know, you're gonna stay in it longer. You're gonna be more motivated if you're having fun with it. I mean, you've got time. You know, you don't have to go and make 100K tomorrow, right? You can just take your time with it. Don't get frustrated. Don't give up. And yeah, just enjoy the journey, enjoy the process, because it sure is one hell of a ride. But yeah, I mean, I don't want to make this video long. Again, like, if you do want to see a full house tour, I will for sure do that. I mean, I've been posting a couple things here and there on my Instagram. I'm sorry for the wind noise. I do have some roommates, and like, it's just quiet out here, but I guess the wind noise is terrible. But I can make a full house tour, so if you do want to see that, definitely comment down below and let me know if you want to see that, and I'll make it happen. But I am going to try to do, at the very least, 3 videos a week. I think that's very doable. I will try to do daily uploads, but again, like, I just have to get consistent with it. I have to get used to it. I'm not good at editing, I'm not good at filming, but again, like, I mean, with everything, with Facebook ads, with everything, you get better at things the more you do it. So that's kind of the approach I'm taking with this. So just bear with me. I will for sure try my best to try to keep up with this and do as best as I possibly can. I am gonna end this one pretty short. Again, it wasn't supposed to be anything long, anything exciting, just a little update, let you know what's coming, and and yeah, just let you know what is to come. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, hit the like button. Comment down below a video you want me to make. If you do want me to make one, a specific one, it can be about anything. It could be about the house, it could be about any e-commerce stores. I think tomorrow I'm gonna film a video with one of my roommates, Chris, and we're gonna be going over kind of the game plan for Q4. So that's gonna be a very, very valuable video showing just kind of the entire process of what the approach we're taking as far as stores go, as far as just the whole structure, the way everything's gonna be structured, because it is different. It's not just, you know, here's a dropshipping product, let's run that. It's totally different, and it's gonna be a lot more long term. It's gonna be a lot different than just, you know, normal dropshipping stores. Okay, so it's gonna storm here pretty soon, so I'm gonna end it here. That's why it's winding very bad. So I'm gonna end it here. Again, I appreciate you guys for watching, and definitely subscribe for more. And I will see you in the next video.